Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Not already follow me on Instagram or X at the Caliban. Please subscribe, hit the like button. Fired up. I'm the main host, Mondo. Let's do this. It is March 27th. Beautiful Thursday out here at Universal Studios Hollywood. But most importantly,
It went up.
It got a lot more beautiful because we got our first tent.
It went up.
Our first tent, Junior.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wow.
I'm
wow.
excited. I got so happy when I saw it. Yes! It's finally back.
And the crazy part, too, is wood arrived. So,
Yeah.
to me, that says they're trying to get this, they're just trying to get started fast.
Yeah.
Like, it's not something they're going to lag or whatever.
They're going to start it fast. I see maybe next week the walls will go.
Yeah.
Next week.
Or they start the foundation, like the walkthrough on the ground. Yeah.
Next week. And then hopefully by then the other tech goes up.
Shoot!
Oh, man. It's finally here. Finally.
Damn, 8 slots the first tent, dude.
Yep.
And it looks like it's an Insidious area, so
Yeah, it's a safe spot.
yeah.
It's a
I
safe
have a
spot.
feeling where Ghostbusters is, they're gonna put the tent there too.
Yeah. I think once they kill out the wood that is there,
Yeah.
the tent will go up for sure.
The only part that sucks, Junior, we're gonna have to wait in line again
Yeah.
in the parking structure.
Yeah.
When it's like 90 degrees.
90, 100 degrees inside. Oh my God. They better put a lot of ACs all over
Yeah.
it, you know?
Yeah, Universal.
Please.
Start the plans already to put ACs
AC in there, everywhere.
in the parking structure queue.
Yeah, 2 or 3 is not good enough. You gotta put it everywhere.
It was so hot in there.
So, come on, Universal.
And also, too, today's opening day baseball. I can't believe it. I got my Dodger hat on. Let's go Dodgers.
It's all good. It's all good.
Yeah.
Hopefully we come back. You know?
Hey, hopefully we see you in the playoffs again, dog.
Hopefully,
The Yankees.
hopefully. We'll see.
All right, let's get started. The next big question, when does the tent arrive over here at the Parisian Courtyard? What do you think? Take a guess.
Maybe I'll say 2 or 3 weeks.
Oh, so fast.
Yeah, fast.
Wow.
Last year they were way behind.
Another tent.
Last year they were way behind schedule, so maybe this year they were fast.
One thing to talk about too, FanFest is upon us. We're so close, so close. They did put out a blog, and the Back to the Future foods are going to arrive here at Mel's Diner. Can't wait to try them all out. There is a lot of workers out here today for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. It does look like this is being worked on a lot right here. And then it looks like a lot of work is happening down here too. Look at that. Wow. Look at this view. This just never gets old. Never. But most importantly, new track has arrived for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Oh my goodness gracious. Are you ready for this? Are you guys ready for that? Look at that. Oh my lanta. Are you ready for that? Are you ready for that, dog?
I'm ready, man. I'm scared, but I'm ready. I'm scared, but I'm ready.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think I see track there too. Oh, they got new track on the bottom. Or a oh, it is a track. Wow. Well, like they keep saying, this should be done by April, sometime in April. One thing that's different too, all this piping that's been added now. Yeah, I don't recall seeing that. They just move so fast. Just want to show real quick the side of Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. Seems like the big focus right now is in there, which people have said is going to be the gift shop for Fast and Furious. Here we got a different angle at the roofing that's being worked on. Let's get some Escalator views and check on the side hill. I just can't wait to see this element all done. It's gonna be insane. Escalator hillside, what is going on? They are like pedal to the metal out here. All this is being flattened. I wonder if like they stop right here, or are they gonna keep flattening this? Oh, what's going on here? What the heck is going on? Whoa. I would say that's the first time that ground's been broken on the other side of this hill. Wow. Plumbing? Electricity? What the heck's going on?
That stays.
Well, oh my God. What do you think's going on, dog?
If that stays until June, no tent for sure.
We're not gonna get a tent there.
We're not gonna get a tent there for sure. No way.
Wow. Wow. Is that gonna be used for horror nights behind Mummy? I'm kind of leaning towards no now, dog.
A new location, I'll be cool with it.
Yeah, soundstage. Give us.
Put it back where the Exorcist was.
Where the Exorcist was.
Yeah,
put a maze back in there. Oh my Lanta. Wow.
It's getting much lower now.
Oh, you could, without a doubt, yeah.
Tell,
You could tell for sure now. I wonder if they keep going though, or are they gonna? This is it. They're gonna stop here. I have no idea, man. This, all it is, super interesting. Super interesting. Last thing to note, nothing has arrived. All those walls went up behind Transformers, but nothing. At least as of now.
I'm gonna say that's gonna be the cue for the Dungeons and Dragons.
Dungeons and Dragons, yeah, that's what I think too.
Yeah, I don't think that will go up anytime soon.
All right, studio tour. Let's get out of here.
Did invite the general public onto our back lot so that they could see silent movies being made. But when Carl Lemley did open our doors, he did dub us Universal City, the strangest city in the world. And honestly, that's because we have everything a major city needs. We have our own medical services, our own sheriff substation, and right now on your right-hand side of the tram, that is our very own fire station. This is not a movie set, everybody. These are legit first responders that take care of us every single day right here at Universal City. We have our own post office, we have our own zip code, and finally, the last thing that makes us legit, yeah, we got 2 Starbucks intercommuters. I'm going to let Ron Howard, the director of Apollo 13, show you how they got those really intricate shots of Mission Control. Fortunately,
there is a lot of wood that has arrived right here.
Mission Control. It is beautiful, everybody, just like the next part of our backlot we're about to enter into. As we make the turn on your left-hand side of the tram, we like to call it our courthouse square around here, but many of you are simply going to recognize it as Hill Valley, California. That's right, everybody. That is where they filmed Back to the Future 1 and 2. Now, with the help of a couple of hundred people, Carpenter can. And if you take a look at your monitors, I'm going to show you a little bit of a time-lapse video of that artist working on the Frankenstein panel. This is not my fault. It's actually the San Andreas' fault, but we're going to get through this. We're going to be fine. We're going to be fine. Okay. This might be the big one, everybody. This is kind of my nightmare. Just let you know, folks, you do not need your 3D glasses. right now. And scene. Woo! Oh, give yourselves a round of applause. Those were Oscar worthy for your consideration. Moment survived earthquake, the big one. Now, everything that we just witnessed, the fire, the water, the sparks, all an example of a practical. Does anybody have any marshmallows by chance? Oh, I think he does. Cars 3 and 4, just wave. He does not need a hug. Trust me, no hugs. Special effects with actual physical actual things with CGI effects. So as we make the turn, everybody, I do want you to get your attention on your right hand side of the tram, because as you can see, you're going to be seeing a very large blue screen. But in front of that blue screen, with about 3 million gallons of water, and then it is created into our Falls Lake, where we do combine practical effects of having real life water on our property with the CGI effect of that blue screen right behind it.
All right, Junior. What a day, dude. What a day.
Beautiful day. Lots of updates today.
Yeah, the updates are crazy today.
You know, this is on fire. Right now, man. I'm on fire about that.
I think the wood behind, or T-pad behind Transformers, I think that's HHN, dog.
It has to be HHN.
Because it looks like the wood that's at Curious George.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean? That white wrapping.
Yeah, it's all covered. It has to be HHN.
That's not FanFest.
Nah, I think they're done already inside.
Yeah.
Those are the dragons, but
Yeah, because I was thinking it was going to be a cube, but there's wood now there.
Who knows?
You know what I mean?
I
So
don't know. This is confusing.
I'm leaning towards T-pad is HHN.
Yeah. Might as well. I think so too.
All right, what do you think about the tent at Curious George?
Yeah, man. Seeing that tent again makes me so happy.
I know.
For Halloween, man.
Talk about the angle.
Yeah, the angle. I noticed the angle now. It's like the way it was 2 years ago with Universal Monsters Halloween.
Yeah.
Now it's like straight instead of this side.
The Universal Unmasked, I think,
Yeah,
right?
that one, yeah. And then
It's at that angle.
Yeah, and then Halloween too, Michael Myers.
Michael Myers.
So I'm like, huh? Dude, it looks like they put it back the way it was then.
Yeah.
2 years ago.
Damn. So that means, are we going to be able to get good looks at the facade? You know? Like
maybe.
Like in the future?
Yeah, maybe.
Because it's pointing towards the studio tour,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
the entrance.
yeah. So maybe the facade would be in the middle now, not on the side.
Not in like the side,
Yeah,
yeah.
on the side, yeah.
Damn.
It's exciting, man.
Dude, seeing a 10 again, dog.
Yeah, that makes me so happy. Like, can it be September again?
It's
Come
like
on.
today was Christmas.
Yeah, exactly.
It is literally Christmas today. That's how I feel. Couldn't ask for a better day. Opening day of baseball. We're about to see the Dodgers at some point. We got freaking a tent, new track. Wow. Universal is just on fire. Like, there's no other way to say it. Just wanted to check merch real quick. Look at the amount of Chucky. Chucky. Everywhere Chucky. Is he coming back to Horror Nights?
Yeah.
I kind of feel like he is.
Every year's gonna come.
As a maze or that talking experience thing again? I don't know. We'll see. But hey, you want some Hello Kitty Chucky merch? They got a lot of it right now. What a jam-packed day it's been over here in Hollywood. I can't wait to come back. Keep track of all these crazy updates. Now the fact that HHN has begun. Let's go. All right, everybody, smash that like button. We are firing it down. The Cali Bay is calling it a day. I'm the main host, Mondo.